The whole world was completely centralized before the advent of blockchain technology. And the gaming industry is no exception. All game data is stored on the developer's servers. Access to accounts, history of in-game events, in-game items, clothing, internal virtual currency, all this is controlled by the creators of the game. And it turns out that players do not have ownership of their accounts. How can blockchain reshape and impact the gaming industry? Blockchain can act as a bridge to the world of decentralized gaming and take power away from gaming companies and return it to players. Blockchain-based systems can be used as a distributed database to protect digital data, digital game items and in-game assets. Blockchain games give players complete control over their account. Centralized games are subject to control, and in them in-game items can be blocked, the probability of rare items can be controlled, and exchange between participants can be blocked. Blockchain, in turn, allows you to create a decentralized exchange platform that will not be controlled by anyone. Another interesting advantage of blockchain is that game data and items are linked to tokens on the blockchain and players can exchange assets between different games. Token trading can also take place on other playgrounds that are on the same blockchain. Today, gaming companies are experimenting with blockchain and looking for solutions to implement it into their products.